Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Athens, a small Japanese-inspired space of 25 square meters. This small apartment with its minimalist and playful atmosphere is a charming exercise in design, with many ideas that are as beautiful as they are functional. A perfect example of this philosophy is this 25 square meter mini apartment in Athens, designed by Federica Scalise, where architecture and design come together to optimize every inch, creating a unique and welcoming urban refuge. Located in the Exarchia neighborhood, it was originally a small storage room that a couple wanted to renovate to accommodate friends or for short-term rentals.